All right, so we are at the London Heathrow Aerotel, and this place is pretty cool because if you're in transit, even if you need the room for like up to 12 hours, you can actually get a room during the day. So it is really cool if you're just in transit and you don't want to sit out in the hotel. And we have it for 24 hours because we have a 24-hour layover. So let's go check this place out.
Welcome to the room tour.
Hello!
No.
It's darker than I expected. Is this a dungeon?
Charlie, we need the key.
So when you, oh, you missed the opportunity. We were gonna close. I was gonna close the door. Baby.
Leave it in, please. Leave it in. Okay.
So you have to leave in your key to run the electricity. That's similar to what we've seen in many other hotels. What is that?
Oh, it's a vacuum.
Ooh, super sexy.
Oh no, it's a hair dryer. Wait, what is it? It's a hair dryer.
Well, that blows. All right, Amanda, could you take this? Because I'm going to get our luggage.
And so, as we go, we can see the room. All right, this is actually like a fairly... This is a... Okay, this is a fairly large room. It comes with a kettle and, of course, Nescafe. And because we are in London, you have some Twinings tea.
Hello.
Hello. Hello, operator. And it comes with a TV. Not huge, but adequate. A couple of hangers. In just a second. And then, Ryan. Oh. It comes with a tiny little baby sink, but it's nice for hand washing for small kids.
Is there a bidet?
No. You don't want to ever...
That is a really, like, I feel like it'll swallow the children.
Yeah, that's a very large hole. But a bidet would spray you, so that's not something you'd ever want to do if you weren't sitting on it. And then here's the shower. So unfortunately, this is what they call, which we had in Thailand a lot, a wet shower, right? No, a wet bathroom. Because there's no ring. There's no ring around the bathroom. So the whole bathroom will get wet. But anyway, just another day. And so anyway, we are happy to relax after a long flight. So here we go.
So price point is about, kids, $100 a night, but great location. I don't know if Amanda added that in.
I did not.
But yeah, $100 a night. We're gonna do it.
Hashtag travel with kids.
That's funny.
I don't know why.
So, wish us luck. He slept on the flight the whole time, so he's super rested. So, we'll see what happens. And
on the flight, we got British candy.
British candy, delicious.
And there's like this chocolate one that, like, if you bite it, it melts in your mouth, and it's really.
Hashtag never forget. DFO, she done fell out. And on that note, we're gonna done get to sleep. So we will see you later. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And we'll see you in Croatia. Bye.